That shit's running good. Nah, it's running good. That's just the heat. Next Friday.
You want to borrow the truck next weekend? You want to borrow it?
No, I just need to borrow the truck.
Yeah.
I'm gonna charge you the 100 for the half hour.
Hey, how much will you pay?
I ain't buying that truck.
Huh?
I ain't buying that truck.
No, you're gonna borrow it.
I'm not gonna charge you. I'm not gonna charge you the 100 for the half hour for the wheelchair. This wheelchair make money.
Okay. But you wanna borrow the truck though, right?
Straight up trade. I'll make sure I put a little gas in it.
You'll put gas?
I'll make sure there ain't gonna be no stains in the back seat.
Okay. Oh, you got a date, right?
Yeah, I got a hot bitch. Last time her ass so fat. Last time, bitch almost broke my wheelchair wheels, dog.
You can't. Hey.
She tried to crush my whip. Ass so fat.
You can't. You can't do nothing in the truck though.
Hey, check out my IG. Positive Energy Movement. Peace, love, happiness. I love y'all.
Appreciate you. Hey, don't almost fucking call on me, bruh. Looks good. You're just putting screws right here, right?
That's what I'm calling here now.
Yeah.
See the guy that did it? See all the screw missing there?
Mm-hmm.
That's around here. This is the last room. But all this is good. You see how you see 1,000 screws all around.
Mm-hmm.
You see something like this?
So we trying to do, man, big business, man. This type of stuff is going to make us be able to invest into whatever we want to, open any type of businesses we want to. At least a couple pieces, man.
Yo.
How do you feel?
I feel good, you know. About to buy another 6.0. I want a 6.7, but you know, back to the 6.0 life. But it is what it is. I'm gonna put some work into it and get it running. I wrecked my other truck, so kind of stuck with a few options as of what to do. But we'll see, man. It's all a project, all a build. It's all fun, so
We'll see.
we'll get it up and running soon.
Trying to get the fuck off, but I can't fucking get it, so whatever, I guess I'll just give it to you.
Nice, though. It's definitely clean.
If it's mechanically sound, you know,
Mechanically, yeah, it's probably. Oh, this is like a holster thing, right? I like this blue.
the blue's pretty.
The blue is nice.
Yeah, it's right in the back. Yeah,
Oh, wow.
it's kind of where they all are. They're all sitting in the back.
How do you feel, my boy?
Dude, I feel pretty good.
You feel good?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, blue's pretty
I feel
nice.
good because I just got probably the most reliable truck out there on the market. The 6.0 Power Strokes. Best diesels ever to buy. Highly recommended.
I'm not gonna lie, blue's tough.
You know, yeah, blue's pretty tough. You know.
Blue's tough, I ain't gonna lie. What, you gonna start it up?
I give a little startup. Oh, I forgot I got the little... I didn't have that last truck. I was a brokey. I'm still a brokey, but I was a little brokey on the last truck. I didn't even have a remote.
No. What, you're gonna put your gun in that holster right there or nah?
One of my guns, yeah. I got a few, so.
Okay,
What is
all
that,
right. Let me hear that thing. Let me hear that thing. What is this?
Let's hear it. Let's hear it. I don't know, man.
It doesn't have
I
rock
think it's
lights.
for horsepower.
Wait, yo.
They have some amp steps.
No way. Hold on. Close the door. Close the door. Nah, that's tough. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. Amp steps is a fucking plus. Train horn too is a plus. Hit it again. Hit it again. Hit it again.
Great.
You won't. You won't.
What?
Hit it again.
With the amps?
No, the horn. You won't.
Or the horn? I don't know who's around here.
Wait, not yet. Not yet. Cause he's right on the ass. Not yet.
Later.
Works to make this beat.
Nigga, I ain't never been in no G-Wagon. Nigga, catch me riding in that dragon. Nigga, straight swagging. Said bitches Fye Cee, and this my introduction. I'm gon' keep it real with y'all, I won't cap about nothing. I've been going hard since like before I started cussing. Never knew where I would be, but knew I would be something. People always hate on me, I don't get no loving.
I used to be chrome, and I did the paint, I did the black paint, and I had the chrome on it, and it looked fucking sexy, but I'm like, I want to go midnight. I want to go midnight edition, so then I
Especially with
painted
the
that
black
shit.
two-tone.
Like that, but if you're like a little bit.
Coming through Georgia though,
Yeah.
them boys squatted.
Yeah,
like,
no.
squatted.
Nah, they're like.
That's
deep.
exaggerated. It's a
Squatted.
little exaggerated.
It's way fucking.
Everyone likes a little
Yeah,
squat.
it is,
though.
it
It's a little
is.
squat, little
I
squat.
did a little bit of squat. I did 6 inches. The only thing I need to do is get some wider wheels, and I'm good. And paint that motherfucker. Shit wasn't faster than mine. Fuck out of here.
That shit, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that shit's fast.
Too late to test it out. It's wrecked. So. You win.
I win.
But not yet. 'cause
By default.
It hasn't been parted
But
out yet.
listen, hey, do the same thing to this, and we run that shit.
Yeah, it's just a bigger injector.
This your dad?
190 cc.
No. That's not.
I had stage 3 injectors and
My daughter. He's my daughter's boy.
the tune that I was running on was good.
Oh,
So.
you know.
Father-in-law,
I just
type
don't want
shit.
to talk about racing, and your dad like, fuck, you ain't
Oh,
racing
yeah.
shit.
Shit.
But I like.
Clean.
If you're gonna get your shit tuned, fuck with Frankie. But if you hear my truck and you hear how my truck shift, I have a wicked tune on my truck.
I wanna hear that shit.
Because the converter locks quick. The converter locks very, very quick. That's why a lot of people can't fuck with me.
Yeah, that shit's clean.
But
Oh, so they're not that. I mean, what's that boat weigh? 5,000 pounds, 4,000.
And it rides smoother when you tow, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
Shit, I pulled a 7,000 pound Sea Ray with an 03 Escalade, and it was fine. I mean, you can feel it.
You feel
it, but dang, you
it
know.
ain't bad. And another thing I'm gonna definitely do is get rid of the Fox shocks. The next thing I'm doing is Bilstein.
You don't like, oh, you don't like Fox?
No, I hate Fox.
No, no?
Fuck them. Shit is fucking garbage. They ride horrible. The bushings in the front stay going fast.
Really?
Bilstein is the best way to go.
Cause I was thinking Bilstein too, but then I saw Bilstein was cheaper than Fox, so I'm like, maybe
Bilstein,
Fox
bro.
is better.
That money don't always mean anything.
Yeah.
If it's cheaper, that don't mean it's fucking more. It's better.
Right.
Or it's more expensive.
I mean, just because it's more expensive
Right.
doesn't mean it's better. The reason why it's expensive because everybody fucking promotes this
Yeah,
shit.
yeah, they
Well,
want
that's
it.
the one. That's the shot.
Yeah. He might have some shit in there if he's talking like that. No,
Yeah? What that look like right there?
it's a spare?
There's no spare. There's no more spare, buddy.
No, I'm saying it's a spare tire. It's a
Yeah, look up under there. That's custom made kit though.
From who? He gatekeeping.
Them real Nathans. You know?
I already,
Real fishes? Oh yeah.
I already got the horn blaster,
You
so
see
I
the
can't.
Mako
Really...
Marine back there? Yeah. I gotta move him over here though.
Oh, seats is clean though. Damn.
Nah, it's a little rip.
It
though.
came like this with the wood.
Yeah.
What? Damn.
Is that new interior?
Yeah. Come on.
Man, let me move. Cause I know that shit's gonna be loud, bro.
Yeah, take your time. Ain't no rush.
But definitely some like paint, maybe wheels and tires down the line, and injectors. That's it.
What about turbo? Turbo's with the power then.
It's got a stage 1 turbo. It's all right. I don't really care about a crazy turbo, but I just care about rolling coal, to be honest. Smoking out people if they,
Me too,
piss me off. And
I can't.
All right, so two things.
I can't relate, man.
So two things I require that I don't like and I don't want to see, or you can't bring that truck back here.
Well,
Do not fucking dump that exhaust.
no, I don't like actual dumps. My truck
Shit
had
is fucking gay, dude.
No, I know. My truck had the same exact exhaust on it, and an 8-inch tip too. So
dog.
When I saw
I mean,
that,
it gotta
I
be
was like,
MBRP. Don't do that fucking regular fucking go to a muffler shop and get that Cuban shit.
Yeah.
It has to be MBRP tip.
yeah.
Don't have to be the full exhaust, but get a tip. And no fucking axle dump. That shit's gay.
What's the second thing?
He's gotta come on.
He's like, I gotta make this one on the spot.
You gotta
Actually,
make sure.
you don't gotta worry about it.
Back of the window, like fucking
Stickers?
Yeah. Do some
Ain't
gangster
no,
shit.
ain't no good.
Fathom
man.
No, yeah, don't do that dumb shit. Ain't no good and fucking.
Fathom Motorsports.
No, you can do
No,
that.
you can do that.
You can do that.
Nah,
You
you
can do that.
That's you.
I know.
Fucking Bud Light stickers.
Yeah, no Bud Light stickers.
No gay
Bud
shit.
Salt Light. What about the Salt Light
No.
sticker?
No.
No Salt Light. No Costa. No
That's
Costa.
homo. You can put a coaster because I
Hey,
wear those.
honestly, I was thinking of a little King Ranch sticker. You know the white
You can
branding
do that
logo?
too.
That would be
You can
cool.
do that too.
Yeah.
You can put a coaster stickers. I wear those.
Yeah, Costa. Yeah.
There's no fucking ain't no good and Bud Light for life.
Yeah.
Can't do that.
Too tall
Yeah.
for fat chicks. Yeah.
No, don't do that either. That's offensive, and we all like fat women.
Okay then, that boy got a King Ranch. Okay then, bro, this is you.
I'm gonna rip it soon, bro. I'm gonna rip it soon.
Hey, this is you. This is you.
Hey, it's a different truck. It's a different color, but I'm excited to see where I'm gonna go with this.
I feel like this fits. Hey, I feel like this fits you better than Shorty.
Yeah. I see a good future for it. I'm gonna do some good things, bro.
Holy shit, bro. My boy's tire, that shit is wobbling, bro. My boy just put his tires on the truck, and that shit is wobbling, kid. I saw that boy driving, and I literally saw his tire wobbling. I quickly called him and I told him, so we gonna turn back. That boy could have wrecked, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it is clean, boy. How do you feel?
Fire.
My boy was driving and his wheel did the same thing again. It kind of did like a little death waddle, but I think he should take it back because I think he should be safer than sorry. But he said it could have just been a death wobble, but we're gonna see. I told that boy, you know, it's raining right now, so just drive like, feel me, drive slow. Don't drive like crazy and just watch it. If anything, we'll have to just bring it back to our boy Josh, and we'll see from there. You got subs? You got subs?
Yeah.
Nah.
210s.
For real?
A little,
shit.
A little boom boom.
Oh shit.
You see my eyes. Look, I just walked up in the club, these hoes can't even see my eyes. That ain't even changing shit, they still surround my ass like flies. Last bitch I trusted, them I had discussing, that bitch lie. I can't love these hoes, I'm shoving them away like bitch you fried. I'm trying to get their money, can't even tell you no amount. I been picking out my friends, now it ain't nobody left round. My mama tricked on me the first time I left town. Now I'm up. If you ain't talking about the pounds, in a double R, round, and I got the rounds. I seen the op, he getting dropped, we finna knock him out of bounds. We just smoked the block, now the whole gang smoking out the ounce. That's just how it go, that what it is. I be standing on these hoes the way I'm standing on my pib.
Bye, have a great time.